this? Ha! Aw, yeah, sucker! Who would play to? Get that out of my house. You shot over the backboard, you're horrible! Oh, driving in on you. Pulling up. Wait. This is like real life. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Nice, good turnover. Alright, here we go. Come back. Get that out of here. Yeah, I'm killing you.
That's goaltending.
It's not goaltending. Nice. That's what it feels like to score a basket. Oh, come back. I'm pretty worried. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. What was that? You, like, spit on your finger? Oh, what was that? I can't even shoot the ball. Oh, hey. Dude, I can't even shoot the ball that far, let alone